2015 to 2020 Chevy Tahoe center console USB port replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in this Chevy Tahoe and I'm going to try to replace this USB port, aux port, little input jack. Now if you're looking for this one right here, I have a video on this one as well. I'll link it below. But in this video we're only doing the one right here. Sorry for the brightness ahead of time. What you want to do is get a plastic pry bar interior tool. I'll link one below. And then we're going to come in here and get between the USB port and the little center console, and we're going to put this in and just kind of wiggle this around and while prying upwards and twisting the pry bar, and it'll slowly just kind of pop this guy out. And once she comes out, you're just going to gently grab it and pull it forward gently. It has two connectors, not much slack, but you got to disconnect these two connectors. There's a center button in each of them, and you want to push the center button down and then pull the connector backwards. Don't pull it by the wires because you'll break the wires, but go ahead and get them disconnected. Here's my old one right here. Now on your old one you may have a part number. This is the part number for it. Now they sell these on Amazon. You can get an OEM one for about 89 bucks or an aftermarket one for 40 bucks. I'll link them both below. It's up to you which one you want to try. I'd recommend OEM though. But all you gotta do when you get your new one is unbox it, plug them back in, and then just put this in the correct orientation that it was. Basically with the little aux input on the outside. Goes in like that. It should look like that with that orientation, with that back there. And that's it, guys. You don't need to reprogram the radio or nothing. You're good to go. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff, and then it'll display to you all the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.